Hello, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This is another Fashom video. I don't know how many of these I've done. I've done several, but Fashom is slowly becoming like something that I really like, that I really look forward to. So Fashom is a clothing subscription box. If you're not familiar, the first couple styles that you get are free. After that, I believe the styling fee is $15. And Fashom is a little bit different. You get 25% off if you keep 3 or more items. I have 5 things in this box. And my stylist this month is Malls. Again, M-O-L-L-S. That's who styled me this month. All right, Fashom is a little more affordable too, so that's exciting. You also get like this pre-filled out return slip, so you don't have to pay to return things you don't want. All right, so let's just get right into it, and let's talk about this. Okay, so this camo top looks so cute on the model. It is long sleeve. You're looking at it, hopefully looking at me wearing it, but like there's a cutout kind of near my elbow. It's the brand Paper Moon. This one is in a size, let's see, size 2X. It's $37. It's called the Tyler Camo Cutout Sleeve Top. Okay, I think it's a little bit too snug and maybe a little bit too short, but it is very lightweight and I really like these arm cutouts and I kind of want to keep it and like wear it to the gym. Wouldn't that be cute with like some leggings? And I have those like sage green colored New Balance tennis shoes. Like how cute would that be? It's not very breathable. That's the only thing about wearing it to the gym. And it's kind of weird. Like just take a moment to look at it and look at me wearing it. And it's just a little bit weird, right? Next top is from Skies Are Blue. It is this beautiful, like hot pink, #1, flutter sleeves. Fits amazing, but it has a scalloped neck. Like that's the little detail that I just love about this on top of the color. Like I feel like this hot pink color, I've been seeing a lot of like fashion bloggers wear this hot pink color, so that makes me feel like it's in right now. This one is in a size 2X. Like I said, fits perfect. How much is it? This is $38. The color is technically mulberry. It's called the scalloped neck top. That's all that they call it. The only thing is where this neck is. So here's the V-neck. It has this like extra bit of fabric. I hate that. Now let's move on to another top. This is a burgundy top. The brand is Emerald. It's in a size 2X, but it has this like fun leopard print sleeve and then the burgundy or maroon, whatever color it is, on the actual cuff of the sleeve. The model looked so cute wearing this. I think it's too tight for me. Did I say what size it is? 2X. I think it's too snug on my stomach and like back. And it kind of looked a little weird on me. Like where this sleeve hits, I don't know. Like is it meant to be like a bubbles type sleeve? It just, I liked it so much online. This was probably the one thing in this box that I was most excited for. I'm so into leopard right now for some reason, but I don't know if this is doing it for me, you know? All right, so this is called the Emerald Solid Jersey Tunic Top in Burgundy, and it's $36. Now, I do have a dress in this box. This is the brand, oh, stand by, MTS, I think it says, Meadow Shop Green Label. Oh, it's bamboo fabric. That's probably why it's so soft. It's this beautiful, like, blue periwinkle type color, long sleeve. It does have a pocket. It's just one of those like, I don't know what type of dress. I want to say swing dress or shift dress, but I may be wrong. It's just very flowy. It's a little bit shorter in the front and longer in the back. This actually fits really well. This is called the Cloud Walk Bamboo V-neck front pocketed round hem dress in a size 1X. The color is dusty blue and it's $42. I like this, but I don't really care for these type of dresses that aren't very structured. I feel like they're not the best for my body type right now. While I do like it, and I even thought, because I wore it around the house like and did some laundry, and I thought I could wear it like over a swimsuit, but then it's long sleeve, and it's not a breathable material. You could just throw it on with some sandals to go to lunch or something. But I wouldn't pull this out of my closet to wear. You know what I'm saying? Like I would wear like those t-shirt dresses I have from Walmart over something like this. And the very last thing in my box are these cut from the Kloth like velvet black jeans. Just let that sink in for a second. Velvet, I think they're velvet. I could be wrong. Let's see. They say they're called charcoal? Okay, they're called charcoal gray, so they're not technically black. Diana Skinny, cut from the Kloth jeans. They're in a size 20, and these are the softest jeans. I love the way that these fit. They're super high-waisted, but not like weird high-waisted where you sit down and like cut your gut in half, you know? But they're high-waisted. The skinny part on the ankle could be a little bit tighter for my liking, but y'all know I like the super, super skinny ankle pants. These fit great. Like I said, they are $69, and these may look familiar because they are. So I think it was maybe last month or the month before, Fashom sent me the exact jeans in a burgundy like wine color, and I kept them. So here's the ones that I own. I've actually worn these several times and really, really like them. I've worn them and washed them several times, and they don't stretch. The color doesn't fade. Like, they don't distort or any. I don't think I dried them, actually. Let me take that back. I don't think that I dried them. I think I washed them and then just let them air dry. These are the black ones. So do I need, or the charcoal gray. Do I need the charcoal gray ones? I kind of think I do. All right, now that you've seen everything in the box, let's talk money. Total is $222. If you keep 3 or more items, like I mentioned, you get a 25% discount. So if I kept everything in the box, my total would be $166.50. That's with the discount. Obviously, if I only keep 1 or 2 things, I don't get the discount. What I really like are the jeans, these like velvet charcoal gray. Tell me what you think about the camo like cutout top. Could be cute for the gym, or should I not waste my money on it? I love, love that hot pink, or they call mulberry, skies are blue pink top. Love it. So I'll keep that one for sure. It was $38. So let me know what you think about everything in the comment section down below. I just looked up my last video. So this is number 7. So number 6, yes, is when I got those jeans. I ended up keeping them. Also, I will leave a link to sign up for Fashom in the description box down below. If you use my link, you can get $10 off. So if you're a first-time person, use that link. It's free to get the box. And then you get something that you like and you get $10 off. So that's a good deal. All right, that is a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.